Hey guys, if Siri is not talking back or responding on your mobile, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. Now, the first thing we need to do is just head over to our settings menu, and then we're going to scroll down and select Siri. From here, scroll down again and click on Siri Responses, and make sure you have Prefer Spoken Responses selected like this. And then what you can do is close out of this window and check to see if that's fixed your issue. Now, if it's still not working, another thing worth trying is to ask Siri to raise the volume. So you'll just simply need to use the Siri command, Siri raise the volume, and that should automatically go and raise the volume, and you should be able to hear Siri respond. If Siri's still not responding, you'll need to head back over to settings, back down to Siri, and this time we're going to click on Talk to Siri. And you need to make sure Siri is actually turned on. So you can either select Hey Siri or Hey Siri. And once you've enabled this, that should have fixed your issue. Now, once again, if that still doesn't work for you, what we're going to do is head back over to the settings menu. From your settings page, scroll all the way down and click on General. Scroll down again right to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and then just select Reset All Settings. You'll need to enter the passcode for your iPhone in order to confirm this. And then once you've reset all of your settings, that should have now fixed any issues you were having with Siri. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.